How to log into your Cell credit card account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. In the search bar, search for Cell credit card. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the second one, Cell credit card, login or apply. You will land on the official page of Cell credit card. Wait for a while and it will also load the login page. Now in this section, what you need to do is simply enter your user ID. You will get the user ID while creating your account. Simply enter it here. If you want them to remember your ID, click on this checkbox, Remember my user ID. Once you have entered your user ID, enter the password of your account that you have created before. Once you have entered both of it, click on Sign On, and then you will be logged in to your Cell credit card account online. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to log into your Cell credit card account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.